See. I'm going to send out something to the forum. So after the class, check the forum. You're going to pick a topic, what you're going to say, and you're going to video yourself. So don't forget to do that. Just like the beginner class, I also send something out. Pick a topic. And in that topic, you're going to tell us, considering what you picked, based on what you're going to say, and everything is going to be in Igbo. So you tell us all about it. All right, so send. Okay, we're going to do numbers, and we're going to do spelling. Chinenye achọ nke kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu chere. Chinenye ahịrịokwu chere. Chinenye ọ nọ ebe a? Gịnị bụ ahịrịokwu chere? Kpọpụtara anyị ya. Ka m sị kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu chere.
Chere bụ chere.
Daalụ. Emeka kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu weta.
Weta bụ weta.
See, you say weta. You started with weta, but you ended it with weta. Wetable. So make sure you still pronounce the same word. Because if you don't get the word, then it's a partial point. So I want you to spell weta again.
Wetable. Weta.
Weta, daalụ. Chiamaka kpọpụtara anyị zụtara.
Auntie, I sent you a message that I have a cold today, so I can't really talk.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, okay. I hope you feel better, okay?
Hello.
Okay. Ogechi.
Zutara. Z U T A R A. Zutara.
Gwokwa ya ọzọ.
Zutara. Z U T A R A.
You have to say the word at the end.
Zutara.
When you finish.
Zutara.
So you're supposed to say it when you finish. Okay, good. Ikenna. Kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu zukọtara. Zukọtara.
Z U.
Zukọtara bụ. You have to say it just like they did. Go ahead. Put your video on. I need to see it. Zukọtara. Ikenna.
Z, O, O.
Ikenna. Zukotara, the last word. Uchenna, the last word. Zukotara. Uchenna. Zukotara.
Z,
Zukotarabo. You need to follow the format.
Zokotarabo. Z, O, E, O.
What?
T.
How did you pronounce the K?
Ko.
That's how to pronounce K-O. Let's see. Ralo. Zukotara. Ralo. Zukotara.
Zukotara. Z U K O T A R A. Zukotara.
Dalo. Ralo. Chekwube. Chinenye. Chekwube.
Chekube bụ che we u be chekube.
Kwuo ya ọzọ. Kpọpụta ya ọzọ. It means to repeat it. Chinenye, are you there? You're wasting our time. Can you repeat it again?
Chekube bụ che we u be chekube.
Daalụ. Emeka. Eze.
Eze bụ Eze. Eze.
Kamsi, bịa.
Be I A. Bịa. Bịa bụ be I A. Bịa.
Daalụ. Nọrọ. Ogechi, nọrọ.
Nọrọ bụ Ni, O, Ri, O. Nọrọ.
Kwuokwa ya ọzọ, Ogechi. Ogechi, kwuo ya ọzọ.
Yes. Nọrọ. Ni, O, Ri, O.
Are you saying O or are you saying O? Which
O.
word? Which letter?
No, O. Nọrọ.
Nọrọ. So,
Mhm.
okay, kpọpụtakwa ya ọzọ.
Ni, O, Ri, O.
There you go. It was clearer now. So, ne, o, re, o. So this is the time you got it right, because before you wasn't clear. You were like, ne, o. So I wasn't sure if you're saying o or if you're saying o. So when you're spelling something, you have to really spell it for people to hear. So, okay, that's good. All right, so is there any other person having problem with spelling? I need to know, because we're going to do a mock one in 2 weeks. We're going to record it. You have to spell it. We see your video. It's not something you're going to hide. So if you have, I'm going to give you a new different set of words. So are we okay with spelling, or is somebody still struggling? Because we're going to record it for those who are coming and not coming, because we're going to project it that day. Okay, Kamsi, nwere ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay, gịnị nwe ajụjụ gị?
I like I feel like I'm okay with spelling, but I'm having trouble saying like GB and KP.
Okay, so when we say something like ba, Come on, wash. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so come Singwa. Nkase Bachie, I want you to say it.
B A
Also,
che.
Bidonishi, start all over. Bidonishi.
Oh, ba che. B A chi e e.
Did you
Ba
say be or did you say, so how did you pronounce the GB again?
B
We, we, she, Bachie. Now that's a way to do spelling. So, but when you're practicing, I know you'll be saying it 1-1. Z, it's a, B, A, yeah. No, so that's a format, that's a pattern that you're going to follow. Everybody, I'm not just talking to Thompson. So, we, Wachie, but don't waste a lot of time. Say, we, she. No, don't waste time. So that's why I have to practice it. Okay. Once you know your alphabet, you should be able to do this. Okay. Dalo, come singwa. Taram. Can you do that one?
B O no O che a re a me. Botaram.
Okay. Me. Okay. It's me. Otaram. So you have to say it so that people will know what you're saying. Okay, good. So Kamsi, I think you're okay with spelling. Okay, Chi. Well, I want you to do the kuputa. Kuputa.
Upata.
Yeah, kuputa.
We, U, P, U, T, A.
Huh? Also, kwa ya ọzọ.
Qui, U, P, P, U, T, A.
What is it?
Upata.
Okay, kwa ya ọzọ. I want you to spell it. Remember the format, okay? W-H-A-N. W-O-T-R-A-M. So now I want you to do that kuputa. Try it. Let me see.
Upata bo. Qui, U, P, U, T, A. Upata.
you, you got it. You know, spelling Igbo, it can sound so funny, but do you got it? That's good. Okay, Adana, you're just coming in. I didn't see you here. Okay, Adana, you have a question?
Onye nkuzi enwe m ajụjụ mmasị chere or cheruzie.
He said, do you say chere or cherezie?
Yeah.
Okay, it depends on your dialect. The Central Igbo is chere, means wait. Chere means wait, but if your people, your dialect, your parents' dialect, maybe the way they say it's cherezie. So I know you must have that cherezie. When do your mom say that to your dad? Kedu mgbe ha ji ekwu ya? Mgbe ha sị gị to stop doing something or to wait? When?
Ị chọrọ ime ife.
If you want to do something and they tell you cherezie.
Yeah.
Okay. They are trying to tell you to wait, not to do it. Okay. Maybe that's how they say it. But there is another way, like if I say Adana, cherezianum, please, it's like wait for me now. It's like laying emphasis, cherezianum, but I believe that's your dialect. That's the way they say it. Instead of saying, chere means just wait. That's what it is. But if they put emphasis like cherezie, that's the way they say it. It's still the sentence chere. So I still want you to speak your dialect, okay?
Oh, daalụ.
You're welcome. So in here, jụọ mama gị ma papa gị sị ya kọwara gị. Let them ask them the meaning of cherezie and see if they will tell you it means wait, okay? Or if it means something else. But I believe that's the way they say chere, okay? But find out from them, okay?
Oh, daalụ.
Imeela. Ngwa achọrọ m ka ị kpọpụtara anyị Adanna Chekwube. Chekube. Remember, if you're doing it live, and Adana, you'll be one of the people to be there that day because you're in Atlanta. So if you're doing it live, you have no way of writing it. You know how they do spelling bee. That's what it is. So they tell you the word and then you spell it, but you're seeing it here now. That's not how you're going to see it that day. And in 2 weeks, when we are going to do it here in class, everybody will participate. And don't miss class because I said we're doing it. I'm talking to everybody now. Do not miss class. We're doing the mock here. Everybody, I want to see your video when you're spelling it. So be ready for spelling and number. Okay, Adanna achọrọ nke ịkpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu chekwube.
Chekwube. Che.
Chekwube bụ. That's how you say it, okay? Chekwube bụ.
Chekwube bụ che kwe u be e.
You have to say the word at the end.
Chekwube.
So when you finish spelling, you have to say that word. Because if you miss the pronunciation, it's also off. Because in Igbo word, you can miss the pronunciation by not knowing that there should be a punctuation in any of the vowels or so something like that. So you have to pay attention because they all have separate points. Okay.
Mmakutere next time.
It's again, Emer.
Mmakutere next time.
Yeah, you so everybody practice your spellings, put bunch of words together, just start spelling them. If you have problem or struggling to spell any of the word, you need to, know how to reach me. But just don't forget that we're doing the final one. We'll continue to practice, but we're going to do the one that we're going to project that day. So you better be ready. Okay, so we're going to move on to numbers now. Moving on to numbers. So we're gonna put a bunch of numbers. I'm not gonna type them because the same way, that's how we're going to do it that day. But I will just go ahead and do it today. Chiamaka, okay, you say, okay, you're having problem. Adanna, I'm going to give you the Adanna, again, 111. Gene 111, Adanna.
Puku.
111 puku. Is that what you said?
Mba puku na ofu.
Okay. Adanna, gene 100.
Puku.
Mba. Puku abụghị 100. Ikenna, gene 111. Ikenna ọ n'ebe ahụ? Gene 111. Ikenna, gene 111. Uchenna, gene 111. When I ask question, please don't waste time because I have only 10 seconds.
111.
We may increase it to 15. You have to answer your question. You have 10 to 15 seconds. Go ahead.
111 ball. Otu nari. Na. Ri na. Otu.
There you go. You got it. And 111, otu nari, or some people will say nari. It is the same. Otu nari, or you can say nari na iri na otu. Dali Uchenna. Ralo gene wo 3,301. 3,301, Ralo.
3,301 bụ puku atọ na iri atọ na otu.
Ralo, kwokwayozo. Pay attention to what you're saying. Kwokwayozo,
Oh,
Paputaranya.
I see it.
I know you know
I
it.
thought it
Yeah,
was.
go ahead.
I thought that 3 was in the hundreds.
So, okay.
Puku atọ na narị atọ na otu.
Okay, don't forget before you start again. I want you to say 3,301, Bo, because you want people to know what you are spelling. Okay, even though the narrator or the moderator said the number, we still want you to repeat the number and then tell us what it is. So, Raluku Kwayozo.
3,301 bụ puku atọ na narị atọ na otu.
Wonderful. That is good. Ralu Wentaraya. Kukuato. You can say nare when you're writing it. You can put a comma without saying na. But when you're saying it, make sure you put that na. Kukuato na. Nareato na. You see that? So pay attention. Dalo ralo. Chinenye. I want you to go on again. 789. Chinenye again was 789.
Narị asaa na iri a.
What's going on? What's the night? Gini na-eme mkpọtụ ebe a, Chinenye?
Steam. It's a steam.
What is it?
Steam.
You can't put the noise off? Okay, let me ask her now because the noise is too much. Okay, Kamsi, Gini 789.
789 bụ narị asaa na iri asatọ na iteghete.
Okwayozo.
789 bụ narị asaa na iri asatọ na iteghete.
Dalo, there you got it. Emeka Gene was 3,003,000. 3,003,000. 3,003,000.
3,003,000 bụ nde atọ na puku atọ.
Dalo, nde atọ na puku atọ. 5,789. Michelle, okay, Chigeno, 5,768. Michelle.
Yes.
Go.
Anam, yeah. 5,768 bụ puku ise narị asaa na iri ise.
No, that's 6 there. Pay attention. I know you know it. Try it again. But now everybody pay attention. Once you hear a bell, your time is up. So you're going to be given 10 to 15 minutes. I'll see if we can try 10, or if 10 is too short, we do 15 seconds, not minutes, seconds. 15 seconds or 10 seconds to answer this question. So you better pay attention and practice how to say this fast. If not, time will be up. Okay, so we're going to be trying 10 seconds. Okay, so pay attention to that. Ngwa, Ogechi, Keno 5,768.
5,768 bụ kuku okuku ise
Hmm?
narị asaa na iri isii asatọ.
Nasato,
Nasato.
Irisi, Nasato, yes.
Iri
You
na
got
asatọ.
it. You know your numbers, but I think you need to practice because I see time getting you here. You're going to see the time and it will make you not to get the point. So you better work on your time because it's going to, this seconds, it goes so fast. So you pay attention to that. You got it? Puku asa na nare asa puku ise na nare asa na iri isii na asato. So once you know how to put your numbers together, you should be able to say it within 10 seconds, because we're not going to give more than 10 seconds. Okay, Dalo. Let me see. Who didn't I ask anything? I don't think I asked Ralo. I'm gonna ask you this. No, Ralo said something. Okay. General 1,003,045. 1,003,045. Who's gonna tell us that? 1,003,045. Ralo, your turn. Ralo, neighbor.
1,003,045 bụ nde na puku atọ na iri anọ na ise.
Hello, you got it. And you beat the time. That's good. Let's see if Chinanya is back. Chinanya, give me 998. Chinanya, 998. Or is there still noise behind you there? Chinanya, Jekam, okay, 998.
Narị iteghete na
Now, you're missing something. You need to say the number before you start spelling. And you're coming, you know you're gonna be there too. So 998, you gotta say the number before Puputaya before get Popatawa Yangwa.
998 bụ narị iteghete na iri iteghete na asatọ.
Dalo, that's how you say it. Dalo. Adanna, Keneo. 2 billion. Okay. 2 billion. And 3 million. 3 million. 2 billion and 3 million. What is it? How do you say it? Adanna. Okay, Adanna, again with 2 billion. Is Adanna there? Adanna, we can't hear you. Adanna. Okay. You can again with 2 billion. You can again unmute yourself. You can again with 2 billion.
2 billion bụ njeri abụọ.
Njeri abụọ. Dalo. Adanna again with 50.
Yes. Just something.
Who's talking?
Or rather, did you call me?
Huh?
Did you call me?
Who is talking? Gonna
Raleigh.
Bahagi? No, not Ralo. No, I'm talking to Adanna. Adanna is here. Adanna is not talking. Adanna, where are you? You are in this class. Where are you?
I know
Back
now.
in. You know, but you are not answering. Enagaza?
Apple.
Okay. Keno 50.
Iri ise.
Now you're not getting it. You have to repeat the number. Keno 50. 50.
50 bụ iri na ise.
That's not right.
Ise.
Adanna Keno 50.
Iri ise.
You have to say 50, but Irisa, you're going to be losing points by not following the format. 50, Irisa. Gịnị bụ 15 Adanna?
50 bụ iri na ise.
15 Adanna, gịnị bụ 15?
15 bụ iri na ise.
Okay. Adanna, gịnị bụ 77?
77 bụ iri asaa.
Adanna, gịnị bụ 77? Look at the number. Pay attention to what you're saying. Gịnị bụ 77?
77 bụ iri na asaa.
No, that's not Irina San. You know it, but I said 77. I didn't say 70. You're not paying attention. You know it, but you're not thinking right now. Ralogene was 77.
77 bụ iri asaa na asaa.
Iriasa na Sagene was 17, Ralo.
17 bụ iri na asaa.
Gene was 70, Ralo.
70 bụ iri asaa.
Iriasa. I know people struggle a lot with these small numbers. I don't know why. But you have to know the difference. You know that. Ikena Gene with 15. Gene with 12. Ikenna on ebe Gene with 12.
iri na abụọ.
Ikenna follow the format.
12 bụ iri na abụọ.
Gene with 20. Ikenna. Ikenna, you're wasting my time. Ikenna, Gene with
Iri
20.
abụọ.
Follow the format.
20 bụ iri abụọ.
Gene with 30. Ikenna. Ikenna, Gene with 30.
30 bụ iri atọ.
Gene with 13.
13 bụ iri na atọ.
Okay. Daalụ. Ogechi, gịnị wụ 80?
80 bụ iri na asatọ.
See what I'm saying? Ogechi, gịnị bụ 80?
80 bụ iri asatọ.
There you go. I don't know why people mix it up. You know, one has a preposition there, the other one does not. The whole numbers, you don't need to put preposition there. Okay, gịnị wụ 18 Ogechi?
18 bụ iri na asatọ.
There you go. I'm glad that you got it now. Gịnị bụ 19 Ogechi?
19 bụ iri na itenaanị.
Gịnị bụ 90?
90 bụ iri itenaanị.
There you go. So I hope not that person is struggling. Yeah, Ebuka, you're coming to class when we are almost done. Ebale ala o Ebuka. You're just coming to class when the class is almost over. Okay, so good. Any other person struggling with this number? Okay, Emeka. Emeka, gịnị wụ 11,199. 11,199, Emeka.
11,199 bụ puku iri na otu na narị na iri iteghete na iteghete.
Good. Dalo. Emeka gịnị was 17,898.
17,898 bụ puku iri na asaa na narị asatọ na iri iteghete na asatọ.
Dalo, Emeka, dalo. Ralo gịnị was 12,345. 12,345, Ralo. Come on,
12,000.
your time. The moment the question is asked, your time starts ticking. So Ralo gịnị was 12,345.
12,345 bụ iri puku iri puku.
Well, how can you just start with iri puku?
Because there's 10,000.
You had Emeka. Emeka just finished spelling. Finished saying the number. It's the same format. If you were listening.
Let's help my sister
12,245.
out with something.
Hmm?
Let's help my sister out with something. Who?
Okay, let me get Kamsi. 12,345.
12,345 bụ puku iri na abụọ na narị atọ na iri anọ na ise.
You got it. 99,999. Ebuka, you're just coming in. It's not a punishment, you know that. Ebuka, get that in. I saw you coming in. Did you call it? Oh, I thought I saw Ebuka coming in. Okay, Adanna. 99,999. Adanna, mute. Adanna. 99,999.
Yeah.
Let me see. Chinenye. Chinenye. 99,999.
Puku iri iteghete.
Follow the format. You have to say the number before you start saying it, or else you're going to get some point count off. 99,999. Chinenye, unmute yourself. Chinenye, you are muted. Ogechi, 99,999. Ogechi, unmute yourself.
9,000.
No.
I mean 99,999 bụ okuku iri iteghete na iteghete. Iri iteghete na.
No, you said iri iteghete. What is iri iteghete?
Sorry.
99,999.
999,999 for
Yeah.
okay.
You got it. You were getting it. You just missed it after the 99,000. So
Okay.
you are still getting it. Go ahead.
Okuku iri iteghete na iteghete, and then narị iteghete na iri iteghete na iteghete.
Okay, so now that you got it. Your destiny is time.
Yes.
Time. You need to pay attention to the time because you never know when the big number will be thrown at you. So you have to pay attention to the time. So that's what we need to work on here. Okay, who's gonna tell us what is 11 billion? Kamsi, 11 billion. No more typing because we're not going to be typing it that day. No more typing. Kamsi, 11 billion.
11 billion bụ njeri iri na otu.
Hello? Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị gịnị wụ 12 million 357,000. 12 million 357,000. 12 million 357,000. 357,000. I'm not gonna ask you, Emeka. Let me ask another person. Can I, Michelle Sharebale?
Amara m ya.
Hey, Maya, Ralonga. Michelle, Maya, trust me. It's just you need to. Ralo, 12 million 357,000.
12,357,000 bụ nde iri na abụọ puku narị atọ iri ise.
I think you keep missing your preposition. Okay, so I'm Emeka 12,357,000.
12,357,000. Now, wait, 12,357,000 bụ nde iri na abụọ na puku narị atọ na iri ise na asaa.
There you go. Go quiet, Emeka. Everybody pay attention how Emeka is saying this. Okay, let me type it for you. So, Emeka ngwa. Nde.
Nde iri na abụọ na puku narị atọ na iri ise na asaa.
Puku narị atọ. Na
iri ise.
Iri ise. Everybody,
Na
you hear that?
asa.
Iri ise na asa. So don't miss the prepositions. So once you start missing the preposition, you stand the chance of not getting it. So nde iri, okay, iri na abụọ. It's not iri abụọ. I didn't say 20,000. I did not say 20,000. I said 12. That's what it is. It means 12,000, 12. Okay, 12 million. Million is in there. Nde iri na abụọ. If it's 20 there, if it's 20 million, it will be nde iri abụọ. So know the difference. Nde iri na abụọ na puku narị. Puku narị atọ. You see how you say that? Because this is not a narị atọ. It's puku is in the thousands. If it's 100, that's when you say narị atọ. But because it's in the thousands, you say puku narị. Now you are including that 1,100, okay? Puku narị atọ na iri ise na asaa. You will see this a lot. So everybody, we'll practice more next week. But check the forum. I will post these numbers too, in case if you want to practice with them. But that may not be the numbers we are going to ask, okay, during the mock one. I will change the numbers, but practice with them. Also practice your spellings. Put all down a bunch of spellings. Once you know how to spell, once you know your alphabet, you're not going to struggle. You should be able to get it. So that one is guaranteed, but you need to practice. If you don't know how to spell, that's a problem. But you have to know how to spell. You need to know your numbers, know your spelling. Next week, we will also work on that. I will send a topic out. Every one of you will pick a topic to present on in Igbo. So we still do the Zoom one, you record yourself. You're going to record and send whether you're coming or not. If you're not coming, the ones not going to be there live that day are going to record and send. So follow the direction that I'm going to send out. But the people that are going to be here live are going to come out to present it that day. So pick your topic, write it in English, translate to Igbo. If you're struggling, let me know, but your parents should help you out or your friend. If you don't have anybody to help you, write it in English, send it to me, then I'll help to translate it and record for you. All right, so I see you guys next week. For those of you that called in already, that's supposed to be in the beginner class, I'm going to stop the class. You have to call in again. So the intermediate class, if you have questions, please feel free to get back to me.
Audio.
All right.